Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2014 Mathematics Past Question 49. The table above represents the outcome of throwing a die 100 times. What is the probability of obtaining at least a 4? At least a 4. Now, if you look at this here, probability, now, for you to obtain at least 4, it means you obtain 4 and above. At least 4 means that what? Those that obtained 4 and above, and that is 16. So number of those that obtain 4 and above is what? 16 plus 10. That those that also obtain 5, and those that obtain 6, which is what? Plus 14, and this gives us what? 40. Now total outcome of throwing the die is equal to 100. If you add them together, 18 plus 22 plus 20 plus 16 plus 10 plus 14 will give us 100. But the outcome of obtaining at least a 4, that is 4, 5 and 6, is 16 plus 10 plus 14, and that gives us 40. Now probability now of obtaining at least 4 is equals to 40 all over 100, and that is equals to 2 all over 5, which is option D. So 2 over 5 is the answer to this question, option D. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.